Hello, everyone. Well, it happened. Howard College has decided to go remote for a couple of weeks. Maybe the COVID cases in San Angelo will start to decline at some point. So what we're doing here is called a screencast. Now, when we left off, this was going to be the third week of the semester. It's week number 3, and um, we had gotten all the way through. Okay, so anyway, when you click on this link, there's the outlines have been given you. There are some lecture outline videos if you want to watch them. They go through everything, and this is that practice lesson that I said you could do if you wanted to practice for the exam. So number one, there is a review for this first exam, and there it is. There's all the introductory stuff. There's the chemistry part 1. This is chemistry part 2, which is all the macro molecules, things like that. Where we had left off, we were here. We were talking about water and hydrogen and all that. So we're almost done with the first part of chemistry. Now, on Wednesday at 5:30, if you want to join, you can. I will be sending out a Zoom link, and it'll be a screencast like this. I'll go ahead and finish the rest of the material. That's probably the only Zoom meeting we'll do, and then the next section will just be videos, and we'll see where we go from there and see when we're going to start meeting face to face again. So this is what's left, and basically this is filled in. If you go by the review here, it tells you everything to know about. Here's like some of the acid base, some of the things that we're covering. This is the second part of chemistry, which was going to be macronutrients, macromolecules. That's like carbohydrates, lipids, things like that. So all this is also filled in. And that's a good starting place. So here's everything I have posted for you. So here's number 3 right here. Okay, so there's the study outline. Sorry, there's the videos, and then here's a practice lesson. If you want to watch these videos, they're 15 to 20 minutes. This one is over the first part of chemistry. This is chemical bonds, the pH scale, which is what we need to go over. And then this would be the macromolecules video. That's what we're going to be doing this week. Next, okay, the following week, which was going to be our first exam. You remember, if I'm going to go back to our schedule, then I'll click on that again. So here is Monday, September 13th. That was going to be the 4th week of the semester. So there it is. Oops. So there it is. We are going to be doing this exam online. And if you've never taken a test online, there is a begin button, of course. Read through this. This tells you how many questions there are. Now, I need to change one thing. You can backtrack. All the questions will show up. You can go back and forth. And I need to change the time limit. I'm going to give you 80 minutes, which is an hour and 20 minutes. But this is the link right here. So like it says there, it says click on exam 1. So there's the 80-minute mark. Once you click begin, you have to finish it at that time. Now, the tests are multiple choice, a little bit of matching, things like that. And I did tell you I'd give you a bonus over the prefixes and suffixes. So we'll do that separate. But once you click begin, it's going to get started. Now look, you can minimize these instructions, and there they are. So which of the following represents a polysaccharide? So you would take your choices from there. I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. So it's gonna yell at me, but that's okay. All right, so check your announcements. I'll be sending out a link for a Zoom meeting. If you never used Zoom before, you can just click on the link. But probably be doing it in this type of format as a screencast, not from our classroom. All right, so email me if you have any questions.